ticket. You get right to the limit. The speed limit here, although your own discretion, carefully take it to the limit. Up towards about 90. 90 is a little stiff. 80. Oh. Yeah. That was one thing to drive it, but to video and drive is almost a distraction. I got somebody behind me keeping up with me.